We're cooking turkey burgers. All right, guys. So tonight we have turkey burgers planned, and we're also going to be doing some grilled pineapple. And to go on the turkey burgers, it makes it a really like a Hawaiian kind of style.
Okay, so I'm adding the ranch seasoning and putting a 4-4 cup in.
Yep. And it's okay to have extra.
Okay, I'm gonna do the garlic.
How much of that are you doing?
I'm doing a tablespoon of garlic. Gonna save that for the great white steak sauce.
Otherwise known as Worcestershire sauce.
I can't say Worcestershire. I can't say it. I can't say it. Now I'm adding a cup of the Italian style breadcrumbs. Time for that great white steak sauce, and then I'll add the eggs. Which the trash can's there, okay. Now I'm gonna add some shakes of pepper. And then some shakes of salt. Whoop. And then some shakes of salt. And I'm gonna add 3 eggs. There we go. Okay, now here comes the fun part. I'm gonna mix it with my hands.
Wait, you've washed your hands, right?
I don't need to. It's all wall.
No, you did wash your hands though, just now, right? For cleanliness?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was joking, but then you make it weird. How long will you mix that?
I don't know. I usually mix it until it looks like a meatball. Until like it looks like it got everything out of the bowl, and it feels like I can't feel, like basically can't feel that, like the breadcrumbs kind of and the garlic.
Okay, so now that I'm all done mixing it, I'm gonna go wash my hands, get a measuring cup, and then probably ask my dad does he want me to just make them into the patties and then toss them on after he oils it down, I guess.
What kind of oil are you using?
Vegetable oil has a higher smoke point than olive oil.
What do you use olive oil for, then?
We use it. We could use it to flavor some of the stuff, but we use it, but not all the time.
Oh, I can go now? Oh. So I'm gonna be measuring the meat by using a third of a cup and a knife. So I'm trying this way. What I used to do is just grab a whole lot, stuff it in, so it's a little thicker, I guess. But now I'm just gonna scoop it up and like shave the top off. That did not work. Ha! Cannot beat me.
Are you gonna go through and shape them afterwards, or measure them out and then shape them?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's better to use my hands.
So your experiment flopped?
I failed. Mission failed.
The mission failed.
We'll get them next time.
So you're just using the measuring cup to shape the burgers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope that smells good. Is someone else cooking?
Haha.
I'm not here. Everybody wants to be out here.
I don't know. Alex just told Andy.
Nobody wants to be around Andy. Oh, it's because the bacon's going.
Because you're so lovable.
It's because the bacon's
I'm
going.
sorry, that's funny.
The bacon.
Are we grilling the pineapple first? Try again. Am I grilling the pineapple first or the burgers?
Burgers.
Can I just toss them on? Or? Hey-ya!
No.
Do the burgers now.
That side.
Right?
Yeah. Should I just use this one?
Put him on. Gotta give him space because we're gonna be smushing them out, remember?
Yep.
Why don't those. Meatballs.
A little bit further.
Yeah.
There you go.
You're
How
gonna
many do you have?
Yes.
I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, how many do you have? Okay, start going down this way. So you go like 3 down this way. You have
That's
18.
raw.
So you have 6 rows of 3. So you have 4 rows. You'll have come 2 more rows down here.
Perfect. Oh boy. Thank you. What? That-
sliding it off.
Yep.
That's what happened when he did. Oh no. Uh-oh. Should you like all of it? He did.
No, I don't think it's olive oil. I think it's just the way the burger is.
Okay, Sandra. So see what I'm doing? Push down, but not really hard.
Got it.
Just push it down, and then try to slide it off. If it doesn't slide off, then you got to take this
And do that.
help.
All right.
Okay?
Is it hot?
Nope. Want to go down level? Look at that.
Oh, wow. Yours.
Perfect first one.
Uh-oh.
Now move it back. Don't want to throw it on the ground.
Ooh, that's the perfect one. No.
Smack. Listen, don't bang on them.
It's a smash burger, not a smack burger.
Smack, smack, smack.
Ooh.
I think it's got crust.
What?
Yeah.
It's a broken heart.
It's a broken heart.
No, it looks like a heart. It has a crack. Yeah, that's why you said broken heart. Whatever.
Said it's a broken heart.
Yes. But a little bit.
This one?
That looks cool. You want to do stand up? All three.
I don't think so.
Why?
Yeah, we can.
That one's done.
How many times?
Do you
Why
want to
not?
just put cheese once we put them over here?
Yeah.
Not mine.
All down to one area for you, so we know what's done and what's not.
Yes, I'll come back to you.
Move. Move.
Wow.
Let them stay to move.
Light up.
That's part of the fun.
Shaking pineapple.
Yeah, this is nothing. Next time he could do the scrambled eggs.
Okay.
That is awesome sound. I'm just
Okay, don't push them. Just let them go. I don't push them.
Right now.
No, we want them browner than that. We want them caramelized.
Okay, can I see the little?
Brown means flavor.
I need tons of oil though.
Flip them.
We'll also set up kind of like a little burger bar for the kids to have a variety of toppings. We have lots of veggies to go on the burgers and all the fixings to go there as well.
Ketchup.
Tomato. It's a burger bar. It's a burger bar.
Okay, we have pickles, ketchup, mustard, and
Jalapenos.
jalapenos, and more ketchup and sour.
No, this is a mustard.
Mustard and
What's this?
lettuce and tomatoes and
More ketchup.
ketchup and mayo.
So do you think you can build a pretty good burger with this?
Yeah, I can make it right now.
Oh.
I want to make
And then we have the pineapple components as well.
Not right now. Dad, are they really freezing? No.
Yep, see those ice chips going along.
Yeah, see?
I'm talking.
Okay, Case, do you want to point out why there's a little bit of ice on it?
Yeah.
It's frozen. We had a burger bun fail.
Mission failed.
Luckily, we had them in the
We'll
freezer.
get 'em next time.
But we have a backup, so we're safe and can continue on.
We don't do anything now. We just wait for them to be done. Hello, people.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Apple, 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 apple.
A double one.
Mine.
Andy,
Okay, that goes to Randa.
It's hot though, that's why.
Can I put my stuff on?
Yep.
That's mom's.
I'll get you. This one's kind of small. What are with both of them?
Smaller. Find a smaller one.
You want a double
Andy,
patty,
this one's
buddy?
mine.
You want a
I
double
don't-
patty?
we didn't
Okay.
Can I, Mom?
Double patty.
Mom, can I have a double patty?
Yeah. Daddy, you. Oh, Dad, this is not a burger for you.
These are the best burgers I've ever tasted. Yummy. I'm not that bad. Yummy.
Andy?
They're scrumptious. Mom, it's not letting me eat it.
Hey.
It's not letting you eat it.
Why is it not letting you eat it?
It's too big. It's the best burgers in the world.
It's pretty good for turkey burgers, too.
Yeah.
All right, Alex, what's your thoughts?
It's amazing.
What I'm gonna do, take the bacon out of the green beans, put it on that burger. Now it's even better.
Like, subscribe, and watch some of our other videos.